When we talk about the initial idea of the Agile Manifest, what is it? What is the motivation?
Well, this is a very important question, what you bring, Christian, because many times I have the feeling that we forget the origin of this, or the motivation, the initial motivation of creating this manifesto. And from my perspective and my understanding, this manifesto was the result of a crisis. It's the software crisis, and it was a time that the complete industry was in problems to deliver products and finish projects on time and budget, and there was a lot of burnout cases in professionals, frustration, also with the managers, and then they could not find a solution to it. Many people tried to find a scientific solution to the problem. There were over 20 years running investigation on how to drive a project with effectivity and success without good results. And I think this the Agile Manifesto was conceived on a weekend where 17 experts, big heavyweights of the software development met in Utah and create this manifesto. So a manifesto in principle is a declaration. It's like a declaration of independence. So it's when the people get tired of something or they just need a change by force, they make this kind of declaration. So I think it's not innocent to call it a manifesto. We can say it was a protest. We can say it was a strike. It was a complaint. It was a rebellion. And from my perspective, we can watch it as a conflict between two social classes. We can say the governance management and the operative IT people. And then this conflict, this manifesto come to try to solve this conflict. And when we read the manifesto, today we are celebrating 20 years. And in 20 years, we cannot find a better version. There was many attempts to try to drive a better version of the Agile Manifesto, and until today we could not find it.